Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Code with Kavish, your one-stop hub for all things web development. Today, we're diving into one of the most debated topics in web development, server-side rendering versus client-side rendering. What's the difference? Which one should you use? Stick around to find out. Server-side rendering, or SSR, means the server generates the full HTML for a page and sends it to the browser. The browser then displays the page immediately. There are two main ways to do this: server-side rendering and client-side rendering. Let's break them down. Server-side rendering, or SSR, means the server generates the full HTML for a page and sends it to the browser. The browser then displays the page immediately. This approach is like ordering a pizza. The server bakes the whole thing and delivers it ready to eat. Advantages of SSR: faster initial page load for the user, better for SEO search engines get pre-rendered HTML, great for content-heavy or e-commerce sites. But it's not perfect. Disadvantages of SSR: higher server load, especially with lots of traffic, slow interactions after the initial load, because pages need to reload for updates. Client-side rendering, or CSR, shifts the work to the browser. The server sends a bare-bones HTML file and a JavaScript bundle. The browser uses this JavaScript to build the page. Think of it like a DIY furniture kit. The server delivers the pieces, and the browser assembles them. Advantages of CSR: interactive pages feel faster once loaded, efficient for single-page application spas, like React or Vue apps, reduces server workload. But it comes with its own set of challenges. Disadvantages of CSR: slower initial page load, especially on slow devices, poor SEO out of the box, higher complexity for developers. SSR versus CSR, when to use each. So, when should you use SSR? And when should you use CSR? Here are some quick guidelines. Use SSR when SEO is critical, like blogs or e-commerce sites. You need faster initial load times for users. Your audience may have slower devices. Use CSR when building spas like dashboards or social media apps. Interactivity is a priority over initial load speed. Your users have modern, fast devices, the best of both worlds. Here's the kicker: you don't have to choose one over the other. Frameworks like Next.js and Nuxt.js combine the best of both worlds with hybrid rendering. For example, you can render static pages with SSR and dynamically load others with CSR. This approach offers flexibility, performance, and scalability. And there you have it: SSR vs CSR explained. Which approach do you prefer for your projects? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.